Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. My internet died, so I'm trashing the original recording. So we're just we're gonna do this from the top again. Um, it's Friday, August 23rd, 2024. We're back for yet another stream. I don't know why, but my internet has been dying a lot recently. I've also noticed, perhaps relatedly, that a fiber company has been doing a lot of work um, next to a bunch of construction that's also happening nearby. So I wonder if they've oopsied the lines a few times. But anyway, we're back. The plan for today's stream is to upgrade Django in work repo. We'll just yeah. So we started on this before, I think, but it did not get very far. Sentry. Yeah, okay, we're already on the branch. And I think I needed to install the dependencies. But I'm pretty sure like this setup crashes and we gotta do some work to fix it. Bug. But yeah, imagine not being on Starlink. I don't think that would support the throughput that's needed to using Docker desktop. Well, that's yeah. So we got a bunch of warnings. So we're gonna have to fix those. And then we have a crash that is intentional. Looks like you're trying to upgrade Django. Yes, indeed, I am. Fancy that. Ugh. What a fucking mess. So basically, Sentry monkey patches the migration mechanisms of Django in order to make it so that we can roll out migrations in a funny matter where like some of our like migrations are done live and some migrations are done offline. And yeah, so we have like a weird fucking monkey patch and it is quite complicated. But anyway, how are we all doing today, chat? Last stream we worked on PyWhiskey and we spent 4+ hours to figure out this tiny 8-line patch, 2-line patch, I guess, plus minus. So sometimes it recovers even if it's not connected. It's really hard for me to tell if it's connected. We'll see pretty quickly though because it'll crash out. Yeah, lost connection. All right. Let me reconnect it to the internet. Oh yeah, so now Django has cloned. Oh god, no, stop. But Viscount Thanos, hello. Yeah, we had a stream crash. My internet has been a little bit flaky recently. For reasons that I don't know. Really annoying. My dashboards are all fucked up. Cool. Okay, but we need to check all these things to make sure that nothing really changed here. Git tag -l grep 5. Yeah, git log 5.0 to 5.1 in Django DB migrations executor. So we gotta check if anything changed. Avoid rendering apps on state. Del state.apps. Is this one of the things that we monkey patch? Migrate all backwards. Highly doubt that we touch that. So I was, did I describe this in the first stream or the second stream? I don't remember. Sentry monkey patches this because, oh no, it was this stream. Okay, we're good. Sentry new migrate. Just double check. Do we need to check that template? Migration executor. Blah blah. Check. Routing. Apply. Okay, so the only change upstream is in a underscored method that we didn't change. Cool. So that one's fine. Migration templates. That changed in Django. I'm basically checking what changed between 5.0 and 5.1 because those are the versions that I'm upgrading from N2. Nothing changed there. Okay, cool. Query set dot update. I think it's capital F. Django DB models query dot py. Oh, a bunch of stuff changed that much. Let's see what. Oh, it show this. Big Blaster says, "What's your vibe, Anthony? Enjoying your day off?" It's not a day off. I'm technically doing work. But it means hack week, so prefetch 1 level. Okay, so don't care about that. Don't care about that patch. Improve variable names. Was that really worth the patch? Those kind of PRs are ones that I just immediately reject because it improves very little. Apply Black's upgrade. Oh boy. So, I doubt this is change anything. Anything meaningful, I guess. Yay. Parentcon.column. DB models query. Oh, I see. Raw query set doesn't tell me what function. 2186. It's somewhere around 2186. It is not 2186. Fuck. Model fields. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, so I don't care about that patch either. This is the one to look at. Okay. Is bulk create. Okay, cool. We don't care about that either. So we can update the last verified version. Source sentry key in it. 5.1. Try it scan. Zando's web says, man, how do you set up making gate key rings on Ubuntu? I mean, each time you push something, this, I don't know what that word is. Ask for a password. Isn't there a little checkbox? I'm pretty sure I just did SSH add once, checked the little box, and was done with it. I'm not planning to push. I'm not planning to push the upgrade today. I just want to get it ready. Redis failed health check. Oh, right. We fixed this already. Yeah, our code has like a funky little thing that we fixed on a previous stream that writes out this file for some reason, but we don't do that here. So this should work now, I think. Django 6? No, this is 5.1. MDS Ubuntu, hello, welcome back. We've also got Kexit. How you doing? Welcome back, good to see you again. So we gotta fix all these. This should be pretty easy. We'll be able to split this out. Surely this time it will succeed. Are you on all right? No. Another day. I just went through last night, or no, 2 nights ago? No, maybe it was last night. I went through a bunch of work to try and get recommit CI's egress on a fixed IP. Play Type Racer Orlin, it's been so long. How you doing? Welcome back. We're doing easy mode or hard mode? And then I am great. Easy mode or hard mode, Orlin? Doing good? That's good to hear. I don't know, run py upgrade over Django, bump minimum required Python, release 6.0. Yeah? I'm not upgrading Django itself. No, I'm upgrading Django in Sentry's repos. Are you doing easy type racer or hard type racer, Orlin? Lesbian Monad says I'm writing a cock proof, but hitting errors in alien language. Remal says, I recently started full remote. Any tips on how to not get distracted and be productive? I did actually talk a little bit about this in a video. Which video was it though? It's gotta be in the FAQ playlist, right? No, don't actually play it. No. Ah, correct. Hard mode. Oh no, I haven't done a hard mode in so long. Check out this video, Ramble. I go over my thoughts on that. Oh boy, I don't even remember how to turn it into hard mode. Instant death mode on. Here we go. All right. Wait, that's not what I wanted. How do I make my own? This one? Yeah. All right. Here's our type racer. It's an instant death hard mode. Brother, what is your keyboard model? Hey, the bot told you what's up. Consumed King, hello, welcome. All right. Anyway, click join. I gotta click join myself. I forgot. And then It's instant death mode, and we've got symbols. This is gonna be... Oh, this is gonna take a while. We're gonna have so many failures here. Alright, good luck, chat. Here we go. Symbols, no. It's short, though. So we have a chance. Woo! One and done? What? Okay, usually we do at least two. I don't think we've ever done the hard mode the first time, so we'll get you at least one more. Wow, everyone finished? I'm impressed. Oh, wait, maybe? Oh, we got people still going here? Okay, no, they died. I'm impressed how many people finished. Usually hard mode is abysmal. Also, Marsha was here. Oh, you crashed. Oh no. Okay. Marsha was here. But Polymathic Man, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. The race is on. What the fuck? Where's the goddamn... Oh, I forgot to click join. I'm dumb. Two for two on hard mode. I sandbagged though. That's gonna ruin my stats. Okay, well there's our two races. Thank you for the redeem. Appreciate that. They changed their fucking UI, so I didn't know where the button was. Anyway. Oh, okay. We're off to a great start here. Class meta got invalid attributes indexed together. I thought I had fixed this. Blaster says 106 PM. Keep learning and working harder. You can be 120 like me. I'm just an average Joe, but doing incredible things. Well, if you look at my stats here, my best on not hard mode is 140, and my best on hard mode is 127. So I don't know why it said one. I guess 106 is my normal mode. Yeah. This is a wild race. 115 words per minute, and I was in third. Brutal. Except by hello. Check Discord for an excellent error message. Oh. My god. Yeah. Google Cook's also here. Hello. Good to see you again. Okay. So something got nuked in 5.1 that was not warning before. Remove index together per the deprecation timeline. Get describe contains this. 5.1 alpha 1. So why was it not warning? Shouldn't there have been a warning? Where is the There's a whole bunch of fucking comments. But where's the actual warning? Shouldn't there have been a warning? Like index together. Those are errors for validating it. Warnings.warn, use meta.indexes. I don't think we have this ignored. I guess if index together becomes none. Where is this coming from? Oh, is it in a migration? Pre-migrate state.fs. Well, we can breakpoint that, right? Well, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Sentry upgrade, no input. PDB M sentry upgrade, no input. Continue. Mean that I did. What was with the 67 words per minute? I was probably drunk. Let's see, what day was it on? Go here. 67 May 6th, 2023. I can see a replay. Was it a really short one? Why is this so slow? This doesn't even look like how I type. I feel like this is really slow. Weird. But a few bad typos it looks like? I don't know. I was probably drunk. Wolfred's here, says wishing you a speedy recovery. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, you mean from upgrading Django? Yeah. Or when you get done with this? Yeah. It shouldn't be that bad. It's just 5.0 to 5.1 in theory. Okay, so let's double under fake.group. Is it just in the migrations? How do I do this? Do I have to squash everything? I don't know how to squash migrations. Usually Mark does this. Well, I know there's a command for it, but I think I have to squash B. Getting so many just no answer phone calls. Yeah, manage.py is not a thing. It's like sentry django something. Of course, this is gonna crash. Oh wait, no, it is. I don't think it's going to work though, because we have a whole fuck ton of stateful migrations. Oh, migration name. What the fuck? Doesn't it just auto-generate one? That's what it did last time I did this. Then pause. Hello, hello. How you doing? Squashed name. I just probably takes the last one or something. Squash from to squash to. Oh, start migration name. Alright, got it. Get grab. Oh, I guess this is the last one that we have to do. This is like a brand new one, isn't it? February of 2024. I thought I had upgraded Django for that. Oh. It doesn't actually have index together. We don't actually need to squash that one. Because that's this. Didn't say no op. We're defining this index in Django words. That sounds like. Oh, did they remove an index? Okay, I think we have to squash up to this one though. Oh. I see. I wonder who did this. Oh, it's me. Okay, so that's the one that we have to get up to at least. What could go wrong? Anthony, how could you? Well, this is the last time I upgraded Django. So, it's me. Yeah. Yeah. Do not squash migrations. Please transition it to a normal migration first. Look. This error message is not helpful. I probably just have to be on Django 5 first. Oh, I forgot to read. The best issue I found all week. Also, Senpais. Hello, hello. Earlier I liked the migrations tool in Django when I worked with it. Basic stuff, but I never used Squash. I just removed migrations and regenerated them. You know what? That actually might be the best way to do this. The horse is smaller than the chicken and the cat. Nice. Horse small. I see no problem with this. Yeah. Should have written Sentry and Ruby on Rails. I didn't write it. Not my problem. I don't think I would be working on this if it were in Ruby though. Actually, yeah, just regenerating the migrations might actually be the way. You cannot squash squashed migrations. What does that mean? Ashley says, hello, my second favorite coding stream. Wait, what? You have a favorite coding stream? It's Choco. Choco is the programming stream. Can't squash the squash. It's pre-squashed. Oh, Snow. Okay, fair. Yeah, that's fair. Snow definitely wins. I can't squash the squash, but we've done this before. How did Mark do this? Yeah, squash migrations. Oh, how did you do this? Initial equals true was removed from that one. Generated by Django. What the fuck? Did I just remove initial here? Is that enough to trick it? Dash force? Is that a thing? It is an option if I remember correctly, but... What the fuck? Where does this come from? Transition it to a normal migration first. Do I just nuke this? WCGW. That just forces my way of using Git. I see. It was just mad about all of the replaces, I guess. Hopefully. Optimizing. What does that mean? Optimize 873 operations to 846 operations. Okay, yeah, clear win there. Couldn't be formatted. Uh-oh. Hmm. There's fucking zero chance that this file is invalid syntax. 4848. Oh fuck. All of these run pythons are gonna not work. Also, I don't know why it did it this way. But I should be able to just delete all the run pythons. Because those are data backfills. And most of them are me. Doop, doop, doo, doo, doo. It used to just slam the code for run pythons into the middle of this, so plus or minus on whether this is a improvement or not. God, there's so many of them. Functions from the following migrations need manual copying. See what the linter says now. These migrations are cursed? Yeah. Imagine you had to play Find the Missing Comma. Not far off from that. What is it doing? Oh, and there's this file. Oh, it's probably... No, I have no idea what it's doing. You can find out. It is running black. Very slowly. Black absolutely hates this file. Yeah. You saw a migration you wrote? A. There you go. Anyway, this PR is getting done in one day. No. If the squash works. So I just use SQL migrations at this point? I cannot. Yeah, we kind of abused the migration system to do data changes, but we don't have a better system at the moment, so it sucks, but I don't know that there's a better way to do it. Well, this is taking a while. I don't know that it will ever succeed. We are 2 minutes into running black. There's I wonder what it hates about this file. Couldn't possibly be the giant the giant list literal in the middle. It's probably going through like every fucking permutation possible to make this giant list formatted nicely. Data changes as in change the data in the database? Yeah, usually like backfills and stuff. Oh. One problem is there's still index togethers in this. So this didn't actually do what I wanted. Uh, I mean, this class still exists. So why didn't the optimizer do its thing? Create model, alter model table, alter unique together, alter index together, and delete model should collapse into nothing. Heard something the other day, so cursed in Python the black couldn't even format it. Yeah, that'll happen. So that's really, really annoying. How did Mark do this before? Oh. So what do I do here? Table is this pull request? And in theory, I can just take the I guess it'd be sentry pull request. Yeah, the problem is all of these I feel like are not gonna work. How are you supposed to handle this? Django index together migrations 5.1 depreciated. Delete everything. Ugh. At least they spelled deprecation right. The endless server, hello, how you doing? When you come from an old version, everyone just deletes the migrations folders and re-adds them. Ooh. The problem is we have a bunch of crazy shit in our migrations. Like, do we have any in here? Yeah. Libra database and state. Why is this just added to state but not? Yeah, like these all seem wrong. Oh, that's a fun F string, Wolfred. Been a KME, hello, how you doing? I'm having to learn fast API with async SQL Alchemy 2 for work. Oh boy. This is weird to me. Okay, so what is status created as? Bounded positive integer field. But then it gets adjusted later? How did it work? Warlord Turtle, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So, So somehow I have to find all of the index togethers. If I'm gonna do this manually. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Oh. Ah. Oh shit. I should just ask the person that's good at this to do it for me. Are you touching migration files while doing an upgrade? Because the old migrations contain this data, which new Django can't understand because that feature was removed. Has the migration already run? Yeah, the migrations have all run. The other problem is, well, at least our production SaaS instance has run all of these. But the open source users can be on any fucking version. And we have a way to like say like there's a hard stop at a particular version before like to force an upgrade. Which means I probably could just edit the migrations that are problematic. They didn't offer a solution for unique together. For unique together too. I don't think unique together got deprecated, did it? Yeah, I feel like unique together is still there. It did? Well, it looks like it's still here. I think it's just indexed together. Seem to be. Wait, it has a recommendation. Maybe deprecated in the future, so it's not actually deprecated. but it'll be a big pain in the ass when it is. Haha. Not deprecated right now, but it will be. Yeah. Okay, so I have to do surgery to the migrations, which is going to be easier than squashing, I think. So let's just discard migrations. Hi Z, hello, how you doing? That's a problem for future me? Yeah. Or somebody else. So we gotta basically manually squash these. Sort of. Wilfred says, I'm using glowing fiber and they changed how context works in V3, but guess what? Fuck it until then. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we'd have to do here. So this is a migration that I made. And it performs rename index. Oh, you know what I can do? I can just look at the model and look at the indexes, right? And copy this into the initial migration. I think. Oh, here we go. Release model fields options. Oh boy. Create index concurrently. On sentry release. I did try out Mojo in the little web framework. Mojo's vaporware? Yeah. Dude, I don't know what the right thing to do is here. I think I can just remove all. Do we have an example in here? We don't. Suppose. Let's look at create model. Comes from migrations. here. In operations, yes. Probably in models. Create model. There we go. Name fields, options, bases, managers. You know what I can just do? Just because I'm curious. Actually, do we have index together in a smaller one? We do. We have it in this feedback one. So we can try and fix this one first. Yeah, we have an index together one here. So if I just do this and then sentry make migrations feedback, we should get the sentry django. We get the initial state, and then I should be able to see how that works. Easy Light, hello, how you doing? Congrats on your stream streak. Please name your migration using this. Bugle Cook, thank you for the resub at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. I don't really know what I'm doing either. It's fucking Django garbage. Every time we upgrade, all the bullshit. Every fucking time. Why am I on the wrong branch? Look. I'm on the wrong branch. Ah! Alright, so what does this do? Fields, options. Okay. Cool. So I can just set indexes there. In theory. And so that will work. Feedback. What a great table name. Wait, didn't I have a branch? Losing my mind. Squash. Easy Light, thank you for the reset with Prime at 9 months, which also gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again. And I hope you're doing well. So I can just set indexes to this. And then I can remove this operation. That stupid comment. Wait, why was that other one have like a weird dependencies? Weird. Uh. All right, 1 down, 10 to go. Oh, this is painful. Painful. All right, looks like replays is also maybe another easy one to do. Index together. Well, what the fuck? How is this? The same thing. I think I just need to do the same thing again with replay. Okay. Migrations. Oh, this is fucking messy. This sucks so much. How does anyone do this? How does anyone think Django is a good thing? So we should be able to find indexes here. Have this, and then I gotta manually rebase that into everything else. So we get rid of the index together. Yes. And then we just have to find all of the this is the file. Okay, just gonna ignore that. Alter index together. Okay, so this is the one that I have to remove, I think. Separate database and state. So I think I just remove this. Here. This one. I don't know if it's gonna work. Forgot Ginger was a thing? Story of all web frameworks? See, I think this isn't really, I mean, the problem here is that Django has so much history and I guess doesn't really realize how much impact making a breaking change about migrations is. And I think, like, you know, if you were using whatever the fuck the SQL Alchemy one is, they care a little bit more about backward compatibility and probably give you an upgrade path. But they deprecate shit for no reason. Exactly. It's such a fucking pain in the ass. Ugh. But in theory, oh, it's the one that looks. Why did this change? So we replace index together with that index. Because we did it here, we don't need it here. And then because we did it here, we don't need it here. Like unique together, index together, fine. Now you have to write them in a very verbose way. Yeah. But the new way is more powerful, Wilfred. You can do so much more shit with it. Two down. Two down, 22 to go. This sucks. This sucks so much. Actually, wait. This isn't. It's worse than that. It's 11 plus 22 plus however many of these other fucking ones do. Okay, well, let's find a table. We'll do one table at a time, I guess. Which is kind of what we've done so far. And that'll make it easier to review also. Alright, sentry pull request. Oh, that's the old naming. Did we rename that table? Because I believe it's this naming now. Nope. We just old naming here, I guess. Migrations have dependencies on each other, so fucked is an understatement. Yeah. Yeah. Sucks. This sucks so much. Alright, sentry pull request is the table that we're gonna do next. So this is so stupid. So I just delete and start up pi. We make migrations like this. This seems like hell. Yeah. Tell me about it. Non-existent parent node sentry. Doesn't anymore. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna generate this file once and then save it because I'm gonna have to do this for every table. Been around for a while. The only good about Django is the ORM. They don't have anywhere in the docs that Django is known for generating n+1 queries out of the ass, which is why Sentry is a good tool because it'll tell you. Yeah. Eventually we'll have the dependency graph fixed. And it'll actually generate it for me. The problem is all the migrations that I deleted, other things have references to them. But it's fine, we're not going to actually kill those migrations, we're just going to rebase them, essentially. But in order to get that, we gotta find all these references first. I guess we can do this. Yeah. Yeah. You're almost done with your premit design. Oh. Like changing, like rewriting the docs pages? Okay. We got something. Maybe? Thing? What is it doing? What are you doing, computer? They can find out. It's probably running black. Oh yeah, it is, of course. Black dash dash fast. How many migrations does this thing have? Like 700? Oh, it did finish. Alright, so we need to find the file that got generated. Oh, it's right here, of course. Move source sentry migration 0001 sentry to so we'll call it .py. Let me discard everything. And Black generated invalid code? No, Django generated invalid code. Django generated something that looked like sentry.migrations.0123 blah backfill because it's a module name, and technically module names can't start with numbers. Okay, so wait, what is in here? Ignore warnings and historic migrations. And you can't see the line because it's behind my head, but it's specifically about index together. So I'll be able to remove this line nicely eventually. But the funny part is I guarantee you I guarantee you this line blames to me. Yeah. For his shit. This. Remove the warnings carve out for migrations to, or move the warnings carve out to migrations to PyTest in it. Since Django 4.2 raises warnings and legacy usage of index together, until we squash, we'll need to make it easier to run locally. Yeah. Until we squash. I'm basically manually squashing these because I don't know that there's a way to do this automatically. But all right, what table are we gonna start with? Sentry pull request. Sentry pull request. What the fuck? Where are my migration or where are my indexes? Maybe this one doesn't have any indexes. What the fuck? Oh, why did it make a bunch of add indexes? Oh, but these aren't even the table. But here it is. So why are these down here? Why did it do it like this? You're going to Japan. Have fun, have fun. Oh, right, yeah, you're talking. You're giving a talk. Talking. So why are these all separate? I don't understand. Why didn't it just put these all in the same thing? Like, is it because it had unique together and index together? I don't know. I'm gonna just put the indexes like I think they'll work. Oh. List. Okay. And then I gotta copy one. And two. And then I should be able to remove index. But then I gotta find all the places where that is referenced. That's actually not that many. That doesn't seem right either. What? Where's the fucking... BJZ, hello, hello, how you doing? You're literally doing Django upgrades at work? Nice, nice. Where it says they changed in the Django codebase 2 months ago. When unique together and index together are used, they moved them. Oh, it's when both of them are? Fucking A. But where's the damn where's the damn for this? Should be another migration here. That I authored. Yeah, this one. Oh, model name, not model. Yeah, so this one. I should be able to delete these two. This is so sketchy. This is so sketchy. You have a 1.8 code base. Oh fuck. The Django migrations engine code is so cursed. Oh yeah, I've debugged it several times. Okay. All right. Squash index together operation or pull request model. We're just gonna make a bunch of fucking separate patches here. Django REST framework? Oh my god. We're using that too, and I don't really understand why. Imagine reading this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I have spent too much time stepping through this code. Black hates this file too, which is kind of funny. So you just gotta... Oh, it should actually reformat too, which is the other problem. I probably didn't format things. Oh my god, this is gonna be a huge pain in the ass. Give DRF credit for not breaking shit? They do occasionally, very minor things. Not quite like this though. The original coders were Java developers, so it's extra oopy. Uh-oh. The next question, how do you Google search correctly for option parameters and programs? If one writes dash I think it says that Google should ignore the word. So Google changed this recently. To like have some smarts in this. Oh, but maybe only one dash. So I guess just always use long ops. But I think you can just put it in quotes also. Yeah, maybe. Although it isn't highlighting it, which is... Wait. Missing quoted FXFD. Show results with double quoted FXFD. Wait, why did it double quote it? Oh, because... We're just gonna do skip equals black because we don't have time for that. God, even Flake8 spends a while on that file, probably because there's a shit ton of... Alright, who's next? Some of these models are really complicated too, because they're called. You know what I bet it is? I bet the like political campaign phone numbers thing like initialize the call before checking whether you're on the do not call list, and then it's technically not illegal for them to just hang up. That'd be my guess. All right, event user. Event user? Entry event user. Does this table just not exist anymore? Drop event user table part 2. That one's recent. April. No, not April. Oh, last December. Okay, so if this table's just gone, did I ever upgrade it? Is the question. I don't think I did. Event attachment. That one was big in the use in migration equals false to a bunch of model managers to avoid a bunch of weird migration code. Okay, so this table no longer exists since last December. So I think I can just remove all references to it. Drop table part 1. Oh, right, because we have to do like a multi-part thing to get rid of it. Assert write queries. Measure the number of queries after an initial post. This table doesn't exist anymore. How the fuck does this work? Oh, probably because... No, I have no idea how. Unless this... I'm betting this function is just buggy. Like, it probably doesn't check all the values are on both sides. Right, queries. Assert queries context. This is decorated. Doesn't need to be written that way anymore. Capture queries context. Yep. Oh, warning, no query against this. This looks like it's written correctly, but very strangely. This should be an error, though. So this is real queries, table, whatever. This is total queries. If we table num in self.queries.items, which is the thing that we passed in, yeah. If we retrieve the parsed queries, oh, assert false executed is none. And parsed queries, I bet, is a default dict, so this is dead code. Parse queries. Oh, gross. Oh, fuck me. I hate star imports in init.py. Parse queries. Oh no, it is actually a dictionary. Oh, how does this test pass that? Measure the number of queries after an initial post because there are many queries polluting the array before the actual processing happens, like auth user. Let's just breakpoint this and Field Cook says, I don't know why you're writing Python icons all the time, but I hope you're happy. It's because you said think, and so it has a random chance to print thinkings. Oh look, helpful message. I'm gonna fill my water real quick. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Oh, where's my run ads button? That way it saves people from pre-rolls. Really? My ad button. Actually kick the test off, and then all right, I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Hello. Hey back. Jabba Jangle says, I work with Flask and it has its own problems with having to manage those upgrade plugins. Yeah, that's true, but at least Django doesn't trash your entire fucking migration state. Limonade Chic says, guys, just wondering what gives you motivation to code something besides working hours. I mean, sometimes it feels like you want to do nothing. Or just looking at how Anthony writes code. I mean, I'm doing work right now. This is work, like actual work. Uh, um, but it's during work hours, so yeah. Oh, this can be improved. Real queries dot set default table name 0. Yeah. Improvement. But a little bit off topic. The answer is money. Well, right now it's money. Yeah. Sort of, I guess. What else am I gonna need to start other than Kafka? I don't even know why I'm debugging this, other than I know something's wrong with this, so I want to figure out what. Even though it's off topic to me upgrading stuff. Sentry dev services thing is useful. I need that in my life. We're actually rewriting it because, as you saw here, there was a dependency on Kafka from symbolicator, but it didn't know that it needed to start both of them. And it's like very specific to Sentry right now. So we're trying to split it out and make like a service manager thingy. Who are we missing? We got Snubo, we got symbolicator, we got Kafka, we got ClickHouse, we got Postgres. I'm missing some service and I don't know what it is. Pythonic Pie, thank you for the resub at 45 months. Holy shit. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How have I not done this yet? There you go. Welcome to VIPdom. Idealist, hello. How you doing? Any thoughts on moving from a fun but less paying job to a not that fun job but a lot more paying job? I mean, I went the other way around. I definitely make a lot less money at Sentry than I did at Stripe. But my god, I'm so much happier. Oh, what the fuck? I can't. I don't even know what it is. Yeah, list here. Oh, I bet it's Redis. We have. It's really annoying where it chose to wrap there. Okay, so we have Redis. We probably don't need Rabbit. I didn't even know we could start this. I don't even know if that's a thing. We have Postgres. Yeah. We have Kafka. Yeah. We have ClickHouse. We have Snuba. We don't need Bigtable. I don't think we need Memcached. We have Symbolicator. Relay is funky, so it does its own thing. We surely don't need the chart service. So what the fuck? Why not? Random Q and Kafka and Redis. Listen, we got some problems. We got some problems with some duplicate work all over the place. Although I don't know, Kafka isn't really a replacement for Redis, but the Redis and memcached, yes, and Rabbit and Kafka, yes. It's because we have a giant fucking celery deployment. I probably just need to restart Snuba, would be my guess. It would be nice if there was like a services status. Dev services down. I just down them all. Yes. Answer is yes. Should have done RM. That's not my money. Bill Cook says I started to value colleagues and tasks more than the money. I earned more than I need, so the social factor became more important for me. Yeah. Alright, Sentry dev services up. That'll be the default state, and then we definitely need Snuba, Kafka, Symbolicator, ClickHouse, Postgres, Reddit. Done. Alright. Hopefully this brings everything up, and then everything's happy, and then I can run this test, and then I can get back to what I was actually doing. Beyond fixing this test helper. Almost certainly wrong. I skipped lunch. I hunger. Jabba says, what's this dev services do that Docker Compose can't? Exist several years before Docker Compose. It's legacy. And we are in the process of replacing it. Have they wrote this recently? No, this is legacy. Dev service is gonna get replaced with a new dev services. That will hopefully do similar things, but be less janky. Make -s-j8 and Python test foo loop is real. Yep, I know that feel. Sudo, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Isn't this hilarious? Health check attempt 5 of 12. Because Snuba takes forever to start its bajillion things. Oh, we got a health check there. Yeah, ridiculous. Some extra time, a few days, so I set up Endeavor OS and Qtile. I missed the Linux world. Oh, I don't know anything about that. Doing upper twice and earning for the past hour. Yay! Sagura, welcome. What am I up to? I am attempting to upgrade Django, but I'm a little off topic right now. Sentry is a rush shot? Yeah, we got some roost. Where was the roost? Up here somewhere, probably. Please let me run this test now. Oh, you know what? I don't have a new computer yet. We're gonna be building it tomorrow, hopefully. I bet this is the fucking weird ass Docker networking garbage that is just paved over on macOS, and I haven't fixed it here, and I don't remember how to fix it here. So this is probably gonna time it again, and I'll just have to debug this later. Arroyo is part rest? I think so, yeah. Yeah, so there's some... Well, those are definitely old. Where does the relay config? Oh, relay dies in the middle of that. Well, I'll just have to leave a note for myself. I will leave this little patch too because perfect. Ampere Python? Yep, it's all over the place. Okay, back to what I was doing. Sentry event user is in several of these migrations, so be able to just delete this early. And then make these a no-op. I'm amazed that event user was never referenced beyond this. Like, they just got the schema right the first time. Anyone ready for some football? I haven't been following college at all. The state of Ohio would like a word. Remove unused event user index. That seems relevant. Alter index together on this table. Yeah, this looks like a me migration. Oh, it's not actually. So now these should just be references to the migration names. Perfect. Okay. Wash. Wash the event user table out of existence. Index together is moved to Django 501. So this is necessary upgrade. We'll need a hard stop first. Number 2 recruiting class this year. We might finally win something. I mean, finally win something. I feel like Ohio State wins stuff all the time. Segura says, how many years of experience do you have? You are fast. I have been writing code for 20 some years. I have been employed for hell, if you include internship. Uh, somewhere between 10 and 15 years, depending on how you count it. Oh, I actually don't want to skip black anymore. Third year's bachelor's, cool stream, nice. $40 of experience when IBM was relevant, yeah. That would be a little bit much. Oh, I hate that we have to keep reformatting this stupid file. I guess I could have skipped it because I'm pretty. Or just deleted the lines from it. Skip it. Oh, but we can't just skip it in that. Name only, grep dash v squash args precommit run files. We'll run the tools and everything else, and then we'll skip it. Sometimes it feels like 40 years of experience. Oh no, they're just beaming. Alright, who's the next victim table? Sentry commit. Sentry commit. This one also has unique and index together, so we also have to do the little dances. Migrate the py sentry commit. This is the one. But we won't see it like that. So this got another index, several other indexes after the fact. So we'll have to hunt all those down. Be a little bit annoying. Oh shit. Agura, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by the stream. Yeah, this one's gonna be more complicated. I commend you. This is the type of development I dread. Yeah. Gosh, Mile, hello, hello. Jaholo! Hey, congrats on your new job. Abstraction horse. It's good to see you again, Jaholo. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back. Okay, so let's we're gonna have to reformat this file anyway. There's no getting around it. We'll just do a little manual format for now. But the problem is we need to find all of the places where sentry commit is referenced in migration. And this one's gonna have lots of false positives. I'm hoping this grep gets us most of them though. Oh boy. Actually, you know, there might be some in this file as well. Alter field. It seems like there aren't in this one. So where did those ones come from? Why is Anthony upgrading Django? Django for Sentry? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to, but different thing. So where the fuck did these indexes come from if we don't see them in the initial state? Since when am I a VIP? Since you got a fancy badge. Congrats. Fixing deprecated migrations not like this, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we need to track down where these came from because my grep apparently didn't find them. But we should be able to remove these three. Yeah, because our diff right now looks like one index together replaced with one index, but where did these two come from? Is the problem. Drop index concurrently. Well, here's where it came from, at least. But I'm a little confused about this one. Alter index together. Yeah. So this one. So we also have to look for name equals commit. Ah, look, a YubiKey. That gives us one answer there. Look at the haircuts Anthony has had. It's been a while. Purple hair thong, curly hair thong. I mean, my hair will still curl. But yeah. Okay, so this one is something else. It's a different table. This is a commit file change, yeah. What was that? This thing that we saw there. That's the sentry release. This must have. Yeah, okay, so this also has an index that looks similar. COVID hair is wild? Yeah. Okay. Can't skip this one. Squash index together operation for commit model. Feel like we're making progress. Feel like we're making progress. Slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Speaking of slowly. Testing the reward system. Oh, you got a little highlight there. I don't know why, but whatever this emote is, does not render on Windows for some reason. But it does work here on Linux. You heard it here first. Linux better than Windows. Oh, Black, why are you taking so long? I know the answer, but yeah, it's 80UC7. It's true. AOE7 is truly cross-platform. Yeah. Holy fuck! This takes forever. Damn it, Black. Damn it, Giant Migrations file is really the problem, but. Alright, who is next, though? User report. Is Black okay? No. It hates this file. But we can tell it to skip it the second time. The Dog Mocha, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Andog, are you an Android user? I am. Although I don't really like using phones in general. Alright, let's look at Sentry user report. Alright. So we should have... Oh, great. Okay, we do have multiple ones here. So we have indexes is a list. That's not a list. And we should have 2 of them? Maybe? 2 of them. 1 and 2. And Black is gonna have to reformat this file too. Alright, let's try our little grep trick. Let's see what we got. Actually I don't need both of these. We can just do name. Okay, I don't care about that one. Remove fields, don't care about that one. Don't care about these drop columns either. But these ones we do care about. Okay. Can I set -o pipe fail in my TTY shell? I don't see why not. Yeah, I'm on Windows 10. I'm not on Windows 11 yet. But I guess I will have to be after I build my new computer. Oh, that's gonna be a fun one. Oh, we gotta sit through another format again. I get the parts? Yeah, parts are all here. If you're logged into Windows, upgrade to 11 so you can reuse. Oh, you mean like so I don't have to buy Windows again? I think I might yeah, I'll be building on stream. We're gonna build tomorrow. I think I might still keep this old computer. And because I have to get I have old monitor that I have to replace my monitor because it turns out modern graphics cards don't support technology from 2007. Crazy to think that I've had this monitor for 17 years and I am finally replacing it. 2 Eastern, I'm gonna try and aim for like noonish. What's not supported? the DVI-D connector. I already started cleaning up my screenshots, so I don't know if I can even show you what my setup looks like right now. Let's see, photos. That's an old one. Yeah, I mean, this will be good enough, right? This is my old setup. Same monitors though, just now they're in a different orientation. But this is the screen that I'm replacing. Can't you convert DisplayPort to DVI-D? Yeah, but you have to pay a fucking butt ton of money to get an adapter for it. Unless you're running at just 1080p. Buying a whole new screen is about as much as buying an adapter that would work. So it is it's not exactly 2K. It's actually, I really like this resolution. It's 2560 by 1600 because it's not 16:9, it's 16:10. But yeah, I'm sad because now I'm gonna have a 16:9 and have to deal with all the squish and the adapters are like 10-15 bucks if you're going to 1080p. But if you're going to this weird resolution, then you're fucked. What will be your new display? It's some 4K screen downstairs. Yeah, I was a little bummed because I really like the screen, but yeah. 53-inch ultra wide. I don't like these curved displays. I don't know if Dell's making 1610 2K displays. They make the upgraded version of the display that I had. They manufacture it, but you can't buy it. You can only buy it as a company that is mass purchasing them, which is really annoying. I looked into this because I was like, I would love to replace this screen with just the newer version of this screen, but they don't sell to consumers. So fuck me, I guess. Sentry to buy 100? Nah. The other thing is like, I like this resolution, so I'm gonna have to adjust to the smaller resolution, but I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. You do want an ultra wide? I'm tired of 4 monitors. An ultra wide and 3 32-inch displays is killing me. That's a lot of displays. Beyond 4K, Ubuntu really sucks. Well, Ubuntu will be a 1080p screen cooling out here for stream. So I don't think it'll matter too much, but imagine how my graphics card feels. Yeah, I'm surprised you can even hook up 4 things to a graphics card. I guess some of them like that. All right, release file is next. How many are we left? How many do we have left? Grab index together. Red Sky 1! Thank you for the 5 gift subs. Welcome to Subdom. Peasel Q, FX Bartek Bez Magtech, 1X Programmer, Frozen Winecloud, and K-Roll. Red Sky 1 is also resubbed at 43 months. Holy shit. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate the gift subs and your continued support. Oh, you have 2 graphics cards. Okay, that would do it. That would do it. We're down to 4, 5, 7? Maybe 7? But we have one that's really complicated, and that one's going to suck. Alright. Damn, this one also has unique together. Fucking A. Release file. Add field, add index. It's weird to me that it added fields to this instead of just having them be here. Hello there. Hello there. Yeah, I don't know why the big big squashed version of this didn't what am I trying to say? Didn't coalesce the field creations into the original one. Maybe they have some weird thing on them. The current nightmare having to change the primary key on a Django table. Oh god. Are some of you on Ubuntu without Plasma? So we're looking for release file. Oh, KDE. Stone Cold Coder says, I wonder if you can get the Obi-Wan sound alert for the hello there. I probably could, but it's not really my brand. But don't think it would. I don't think it would be something I would want. I got an alter index together. So we gotta remove this one. Did it wrap and I just didn't see? I feel like these are ones I've already seen. Yeah, definitely wrapped. Ooh. Oh, let's go! Alert would be hype. It would be kind of hype. The day anything stops running Python is the day the community dies. Days are numbered then. This is interesting. Okay, because this changed to release ID. That's why there was an alter index together here. Which is this here? Sense? Oh, but I wonder if this is gonna be fucked because oh no. Because these were foreign keys here and they got changed into integers later. So this isn't a real field. Preox, thank you for the follow. What the fuck? You weren't following? Hello? You've been here forever. Play this. Hello? How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Look at this. 1,000+ messages. Never followed. All good. Hello, Twitch. Is this Riz? I have a suspicion that this is not going to work. Carlos 88 Dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Is it get sentry / sentry? It is indeed. Wraith Within, welcome back. Good to see you. But we can try it. Try it by doing make reset db. That will start over from scratch and run all the migration. They're hiding stuff though. Yeah, there's also get sentry that you can't see. Oh, you have to do the same thing there too. Wait, this has some in code. Oh, yeah. This is a really old clone. Could have open source? I believe it is source available, yeah. That one's gonna be a fun one. Alright, so we're running the big bad migration. God, please don't fail. Will make my day if this doesn't fuck up somehow. I get paid for this migration. I mean, I've decided that I want to do this myself. And it is during work hours. And it benefits work and not me. So yes. Oh my god, that migration succeeded. I'm amazed. I guess technically the foreign key fields produce an ID field, which is how we were able to do the migration in the first place. Alt F4 is rating. Hello, hello. Hello there. That's more on brand for BG than me. I didn't do raid this time, chat, like last time. How you doing? What were you working on? Is it BG or is it a Tota? I've seen a Tota stream in a while. But how's it going? My name's Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. Today we're working on my work stuff, Sentry. And I am trying to unfuck our migrations because Django deprecated a thing and is now removed it, but it's present in our historical migrations. So I have to do migration surgery to make it look like the original migrations never used the deprecated feature. Are you submitting patch from your personal GitHub account? No, this is a separate VM that uses my work account. Oh boy. Well, one of the ones I fucked up is already fucked, so that's great. Segment ID. Okay, so one of the patches that I made is not correct. That was the replays one, but this one looks fine. Let's commit this one. Just sent through the really slow formatter again. For the release file model. I guess that's good to know that if I fuck this up, then it will crash while migrating. Also, Pandoxer, welcome back. Hello, sir. That's all the indeed. Addy Please says 700 migrations. Holy, yeah, that doesn't even include the private migrations. There are so many more there. But yeah, it's fucking nuts. This app is bonkers. Do I have a LinkedIn? I do, but I mostly just accept connections from people that I actually know. Mir Hussein, welcome. Okay, that worked, but the replays one failed. So let's see what I screwed up here. I think I understand these a lot more now, so okay, so it was sequence ID. So how do I make it fake? Oh, I can just remove this here and add indexes here. God, I can't believe they renamed a column. Absolute garbage. Okay, so let's fix that then. Migrations, init replays. So we're gonna start with no indexes here. And then in this one, we're gonna add an index. Which I don't remember what the name of that is. Add index. Migrations.add index. This is fake from a squash. Why it doesn't. Yeah. PJ says, didn't realize you're at Sentry. Say hi to Chad from PJZ. Okay, we'll do. Yeah, so that should work instead. Let's see if this succeeds now. Of course it does. That is where this import comes from, right? And index got unexpected keyword argument name. Model underscore name? It is. Duplicate table. What? Oh, because I fucked with the... Right. I fucked with the, this one. So... This should work, maybe? Gave us the same state. These take so long to run. Idealist says, I recently watched your videos on warnings and your gripes about default stack level equals 1. I was playing with that and noticed skip file prefixes parameters seems recently added. Neat thing. In 3.12. Stack frames are ignored when counting stack levels. This can be useful when you want the warning to always appear at the call site outside of a package when a constant stack level does not fit all call paths. Kinda neat. When prefixes are supplied, stack level is implicitly overridden to max 2 stack level. Just fucking do that by default! Ah! They were so close to being self-aware about this, but ugh. Ugh. Wilfred says I wanted to go to Sentry, but then I realized Anthony would give me imposter syndrome. What? How does that make any sense? Anthony, it's Python? Yeah. Yeah, why wouldn't they fix the thing that would be so easy to understand and fix? You're so close. Meh. You also don't need to guess how deep the called function really is. Yeah, it's true. But at the same time, like, a default of 1 makes no sense. Default of 2 should basically always be there. But that's kind of neat. I'm surprised that I didn't see that when I went over the changelog. Maybe it wasn't called out that much. Because that definitely, if I knew about that, I would have put it into my YouTube video about it. Okay. Rebase me, replays. Right, on to the next one. Not too many tabs here. One of these is going to be a big pain in the ass. This is not the one. Project D sim file. Why? They match. Why isn't this one in line? Annoying. Okay. 2 indexes here. That's good. Seems like it might be an easy one. Oh. Paste instead of copy. Good job, me. Okay, so now we need to search for this in here. Your table. Add column. Okay. Okay. Create index concurrently. Xsum. Why did they do that? Oh, I see. Add field. Why didn't they? Why is this separate? You unconsciously skipped it just to turn into a separate video. In a trilogy on wardings. That's actually a good idea. Skip. Actually a good idea that I should make a video on it. I'm not in the video making mindset, but okay, now we're thinking with portals. So table name. Yeah. We had a crazy expensive Babby reward redeem to play a bullet chess game. Oh fuck. uh, I would have to be good at chess. I'm fucking garbage at chess. Especially under time constraint. I would definitely get better if I had a reward for it. But maybe I'll. Is bullet 2 minutes? Is that blitz? Should maybe do like 5 minutes. Oh, I don't even know because I only play daily games right now and puzzles. I'm getting pretty high in puzzles though. Increment? Oh. Okay, so maybe I could do that. Not the one I'm looking for. Is the one I'm looking for. Project debug field. Debug file. Okay, this one was easy. Relatively. Or project debug. Now the question is, do I do this as a bunch of PRs or just one big commit? But I'll think about that, Grandpa's iPad. Also, welcome back. Good to see you. 1 minute? I'm sure we'll all suck too. It'll be fun. Yeah. I mean, I think I'm default rated in everything that's not dailies. So I'm 100 rated chess player. Except for puzzles. I'm bouncing between like 2200 and 2350 right now in puzzles. I need to get better at end games. That's the thing that I'm bad at right now. But at least I can kind of know from playing a bunch of puzzles like what I'm bad at. Xanasaver says, PR, how are the anacondas? One might say that the anaconda don't. 2350? Yeah, in puzzles. Unless it's 1350 and I'm stupid. I'm pretty sure it's 15. Which sounds high actually, now that I think. No, I'm I'm 2250 right now. Because I've been I go on like streaks where I tilt and just play a bunch of puzzles while I'm tilted, and it's not good for me. How do I look at rating history? Puzzle. Full stats? Yeah, you can see you can see like my tilts that happen here. I don't know. Yeah, I this is what I do when I wait for builds. Is I play puzzles. But yeah, my other ratings are daily and nothing else in my head. But yeah. But I think I could be 2500 if I get better at end games. Chess stream? Maybe. I do actually have I actually got approved when I was at TwitchCon. I got approved to be a chess.com partner. Which was stupid easy to do. They were like, here's a computer. If you can win 3 puzzles, then you can become a partner. And it was like 500 rated puzzles. At least for me at that time, it was trivial. Anyway, ICBM Gambit? I am not familiar with that one. Yeah, my other problem with like ratings is I don't know openings. I I'm pretty good at puzzles, but I'm probably dog shit at chess. This is a fun one. Okay. Another index together. Okay, this one is probably gonna be an easy one. It says overly confidently. Field add index. Environment first release. Fuck. Oh, we do have first scene. Okay. Good. ICBM Gambit is really explosive. One of the gambits of all time. Real opening in parentheses. Okay, let's see what it is. The Tennyson Gambit is a chess opening which white gambits a pawn. The opening moves begin with either the red thing or for is it a gambit for white? Oh, it's gambit for white. Okay, so white gambit's that pawn presumably. I've definitely played this so far before. And white gambit's another pawn to just open up the king and queen? That can't be good. Done. Black's game is over. Bishop takes. Really, king takes. That is kind of fun. Queen gobbles everything. Okay, wild. Anyway, that's a fun one. It's based on a YouTube video. Oh, I see. Thank you, Gibbs. The video makes it way funnier. Take your word for it. Okay, so this index is different than the one that's here. But we're gonna hope that doesn't matter. But we will have to track down when it changed. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Wait. No, we're looking for group environment, not group release. Not release. And not release again. And not release again. Right. That's the only reference in this file. That one. Okay, so this is the alter index. The Crane, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yep says, what project are you working on? Hey, the bot figured it out. So then this just goes away. Last stream on this computer? Yeah, we're doing a build tomorrow. I got new parts. We're building a brand new computer, which is long overdue because this one was built in 2018. Doesn't this computer have 120 gigs of RAM? This one has 64. The new one also has 64. Or will when it manifests. Or group environment. Make sure you avoid those nasty Intel chips. So I actually have not heard any of the Intel news, but it just so happens that this will be my first AMD build ever for CPU. I have built NVIDIA, I have owned or built NVIDIA plus Intel builds since my first computer in 2000. 20 years of Intel coming to an end. Has some bigly problems. Well, out here like Neo accidentally dodging a bullet. Okay, next together. Who's next? That is an interesting one. The group table, but this isn't a create model, so it's actually, I don't know, how does this work if it didn't have index together prior to this? Also, it gets it down here too. Chips are dying with no fix? That doesn't sound good. Group. Damn. Models group. Group with a quote. Add index. Okay, so we should have all of our group indexes here. Project first release, project ID. We also have this one down here and this one. Wait, holy fuck, why are there so many? They just keep going. Oh my god, they just keep going. They keep going. What the fuck? Will these ever end? Holy shit, this table has a lot of indices. Oh, it's gonna make this a pain in the ass, isn't it? Source, sentry, models, group, indexes. Oh, to do, remove this. Claims to me, but I surely just copied the comment over. To remove this from get sentry bot. No. I had to roll this forward and back like a million fucking. But there's a better way to do this. Git log dash g, remove this. First sentry mod. Except p remove Revert. Man, I forgot how much of a pain in the ass it was to roll this shit out last time. Oh, I remember why. It's because we had a bunch of we had a bunch of we had a bunch of single tenant instances that had never run their database migration, so they just didn't have these indexes. To do remove this. Add first scene to index in grouped message. My Google search git command minus. I do have a video on this, but I also don't know what it's called. Basically the idea behind it is everything after the dash dash is treated not as an option, and usually as a file. Yeah. So this one is going to be tricky because I don't know that all of these fields exist on group at its creation. Oh, you saw that video, but I already forgot. There we go. It's probably called Get Good Brov. Hey, Whisper, how's it going? Okay, do you have all of these fields? Project? Truly, you have project. No, you don't. Oh, this is gonna be a fucking pain in the ass. Project is a foreign key, right? Yeah. Oh. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Is it Vim? Why did the bot not reply? Is the bot dead? Oh, is this Vim? Yeah. Is this that the... Oh, but wait, this is different. Where's the... How does this work? Oh, it must be a different thing. Oh, here it is. Right, because of... Yeah. The reason this is in a different file is due to ordering. But anyway, yeah, we're not gonna fix that one then. How's the bot deployed? I just run it in a terminal window. Yeah. It's not deployed. Oh, this one's gonna be messy. I think I'm gonna skip this table. I think we'll do this table later. Just because it's gonna be messier. So this must be when project got added to group. No? I just miss it somehow? Group environment, group hash, group meta, rule status, group scene, group description, identity, share, organization, alter on project work, well, project option. How about the Django upgrade repo? It does not help me with this problem, unfortunately. It would have helped me with the first commit for this problem, but not this. The first commit that I did months ago. To actually change things into using indexes instead of index together. But now I have to go back into the migrations and fix those. Is the problem. To create the model, it has ID, logger, level, message, culprit, num commits, platform status, time scene, first scene, resolved at, active at, time spent, score, public data, short IDs. It does not have project as a relation yet. Where does it get that? Add field group first release. Here's where it gets it. Ooh. Serverless, yeah. No, it's me. I'm the server. Recruiters have been picking up recently. So let's just skip group for now. Just because it's going to be a pain. Although I could take those operations and merge them up because they're all in one. They're all in one migration. We're skipping group for now. We'll do event attachment. Oh, thank God. This one's in line. Do they match? No, they don't match. Becky, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Event ID is in here. Okay, good. Project ID is also. Okay, cool. So this one we can do. Planning. Now we gotta find event attachment. Add fields. Okay, so it's not that one. Add fields. Alter index together. Oh, interesting. It removed the index and then added a different index. Almost looks like a mistake. To do. Oh shit. At least I can do them one at a time. That's what I'm telling myself. And black is taking a while because this file is massive. It actually seems to take less time if it doesn't need to reformat, which is good. Still takes a while. The group ones. Incident. Gonna be a tricky one. Literal type status. It seems to be the only index. What about the model? We have all those fields here. Literal, yes. Type, yes. Status. Okay. Good. New migration ID, just drop all the tables and recreate the new database schema afterwards. See, that would mostly work, except there's some shit that we don't represent in Django, and so I don't want to have to audit all that. Ideally, we would just ban that, but that would be the easy way to do this. I would just delete all the migration files and recreate them from scratch. That would work for everything that we don't have custom state for. And I know we have weird garbage in here. So unfortunately, this is probably how I have to do this. The spaghetti code. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is Squack it. This one can go away. No. Yes. The window manager. It's me. Okay. Sentry incident. Ooh. Does that go away? Oh, it does. Added and then removed. Cool. And so this is rename index. Yeah, this is the one that I expect here. What happened here? Bag matter. matter. Sweet. Oh, fuck. This sucks. I am, this is a ton of work. And I'm probably not even halfway done yet. Might be halfway done with Sentry, but gotta do the private repo. Can't do that one on stream. Actually, let's see what the latest self-hosted. Is this in code somewhere? .23.11. Fuck, we're gonna have to add a new one. Because I'm pretty sure this one was this year. Yeah. So we'll have to do a 2024 hard stop. Yeah. Whoops. Seven. Cool. Okay, so we're skipping group for now. Group inbox. Ah, shit. Project and date added. Does not have project. We're gonna skip that one for now too. Group release. I want to say that's the really fucked up table. Oh no, it's not that. First scene, last scene. Maybe we can do that. First scene, last scene. Great. Okay. Oh, it's inline for some reason. I don't know why this one's inline, but it has unique together. I don't know how Django chooses that. I am not complaining though. Group ID first scene, group ID last scene. And we do have group ID. Create index if not exists. Yeah. I think I can just kill this. I can't imagine why this would be different. But I'm leaving a little note to myself in my head that I gotta split that one out probably just so it has extra scrutiny. Okay. Oof. I'm back. How many migrations do you have to do still? This will capture all of them. 30 calls, but maybe not 30 tables in this repo. That doesn't include I think I'm gonna do one more and then split up this PR and then because 12 commits is actually, let's make sure that we're still in a good state. And this is gonna take a while, and then we'll split up the PRs. James Wayne says, me out here watching old Anthony on YouTube, meanwhile he's live. Hello, hello, James Boyan. How you doing? Chess.com told me a suspicious login happened. It was me. If this was you don't need to do anything. Enjoy chess.com. Okay. Alright. Okatech plays. Hello, hello. Welcome back. How you doing? Loose again. This is the most likely migration to be broken if I fuck something up. We're hoping that one's green. Then the rest of it is less likely to be. Okay-ish, I guess. I feel that. I get you. I get that. I understand. You know, I have tiny trash cans all around my house, but for some reason I don't have one in here. I need to fix that. I need to put a tiny trash can here. If you guys are giving me a hell of a time, well, at least it's just a hardware software problem. Could be. Yeah, this, I mean, it's gotten pretty far. I think we're probably good on this one. Trivial but dangerous 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Some of the migrations are a little goofy. Do not touch file migration 1 through 5. Yeah. So the migration system got reworked at one point, and I believe those were just things to validate that it was successful in production. Alright, this is looking pretty good though. So now we get to do branch bingo. Yay. Yeah, this is the end. We did it? No, we've only done some of it. We've done what, 13 models? 12 models? Now I gotta put them out. Squash, index together, feedback. Git cherry pick this, git short. Second. Because I don't know if I'm logged in, even though I logged in earlier this week. I'm not logged in. Or I am logged in? Or I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in. Alright, you get to look at my face a little bit more. Here, I'm just making sure that we log in and we get everything there. We should be good now. Yeah, this looks fine. All right, squash index together operation into feedback initial migration. So I also am going to add the migrations team. I don't know why they're not being added to this, but and the dev infra team. Oh, and I'll have to work on figuring out the hard stop bit. Oh, how that's gonna work. We'll figure it out. Index together replays. Saw a video here that AI can figure out which keys you press if you hear the keyboard in the stream. Yeah. Yeah. I made a video on that. Oh, this is the wrong browser. Didn't know? Well, now you know. Yeah, it's a good one. And I could probably just do all these in one patch, but it's gonna be easier for people to review. Everyone. Just because there's a lot of manual stuff. I mute myself to type passwords so the cam can stay on. Well, if you got a keyboard cam and you're typing passwords, you got bigger. I keep doing that. One of these, I'm gonna make a mistake and open it on my personal account. Infra. do open link here. And the other thing is, some of these are going to conflict with each other. So I'm not going to be able to make all these pull requests, I don't think. Surprised? Merge conflicts and migrations. Yeah, well, it's me conflicting with myself, so it shouldn't be too bad. Oh, I did it again. Yeah, if I don't see the little drop down, at least I'm adding a reviewer to all of these, so I will notice if it's fucked up. And I will self-review these later, or I make them not a draft. I probably could automate all this, but fast enough as it is. Remove martini migration? Did you migrate to gin tonic? What? And next says, are you changing the PRs or do all of them target main? They're all, well, so far they're all targeting main because they don't have any interdependencies until I find one that conflicts. Then we're gonna have a bad time. Speaking of which, but I have so many of these that I will just push this branch separately and then rebase it as it no longer conflicts. Loop environment. Yeah, so we'll get all the ones that don't conflict. And then in theory I could chain this one, but this is gonna be a there's gonna be a lot of PRs anyway, so let's deal with it. Nope. Only one conflict so far? Not so bad. There's a little weird thing there. Reviewer is gonna be like, looks good to me and merges it. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I was a little conflicted on whether I make this one patch or a bunch of patches. Because I feel like someone's just gonna be like, yeah, these all look good. Yes, this one clicks. So I'll keep my stack branch around. Oh, but I did want to here. If not, no migrations. Yeah. Remove warning filter for index together. Collab is nice with push option merge request.target. Yeah. Yeah. Chugging coffee. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. You've been here before. Welcome back. So yeah, the whole point of this will be this, and then these are all the stacks that I will still be able to make this. This is the one I will continuously rebase. Why does the keycode for arrow keys go up, right, down, left, but the ANSI codes go up, down, right, left? Oh no. Oh no, these are already red. What? Oh no, that's a different PR? Oh yeah, yeah. How are these red already? That doesn't make any sense. Definitely. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, it's past 5, so I shouldn't be working anyway. That is not what I wanted to look at. First one, to see if it's progressing along. Just wanted to self-review one of them. Cool. All right, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I do this so it preserves this session. Yeah, we're just gonna shut down the computer. Alright, anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go check that out and subscribe. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on the second channel at anthonywritescode-vods, where the streams go after I streams them and remember to upload them. So go subscribe there as well. I normally stream Saturdays. We're gonna have a special stream tomorrow where I'm building a computer. I announced my stream on the Discord, so you should join there and hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So join and hang out on our Discord. Yeah. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.